Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk pads used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the rear wheel studs. To change the rear brake pads on your vehicle, you'll need to remove the wheels to gain full access. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. For vehicles equipped with electric handbrake, you need to put the brake caliper in maintenance mode using a diagnostic device. To do this, we recommend to watch our video how to put an electric handbrake in maintenance mode. Insert a flathead screwdriver to the outer extremity of the oblong hole located on the front of the brake caliper. Lift it off using the screwdriver as a lever by pulling it towards you. This will then push the piston in. Ensure that you have pushed the piston in as far as possible before moving on to the next operation. Loosen the brake caliper. To do this, use a 13mm socket wrench as well as a 15mm spanner and remove the slide pins. Release the brake caliper from its support. You can now put down the caliper. Remove the pads. You can slip them off by pushing them away from the disc. You need to check the proper sliding of the slide pins and the condition of the protective rubbers. If they show evidence of wear, it is advisable to replace them with new ones. Remove the noise dampening shims. Using a wire brush, clean the edges of the brake caliper mount where the pads run.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Place the new noise dampening shims on the caliper. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new brake pads. Coat the outside of the new pads with copper grease. And slide them into the brake caliper mount. Put the brake caliper back in place and screw in the slide pins. Finished off the tightening with a torque wrench. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. It is now time to reactivate the electric handbrake. For this, we recommend that you watch our video how to put an electric handbrake in maintenance mode. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Before starting your car, don't forget to screw the brake fluid stopper back in. Be careful. Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to bring the brake pads together again. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 50 kilometers or so to avoid glazing the new pads. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.